Welcome, trolls. First sees all.
Bonjour et bienvenue tout le monde. C'est bien apprécié que vous êtes passé. Thanks everyone. So appreciate the support. Look at this. Again slowed down. More details last night. Incredible. That is a UFO. It's not a star. That little dot beside the star as a UFO is going by. Analyze it. Watch it. There it is. It's moving. Little UFOs, further out, some closer. There are flashes of light coming from this one. We're going to go back to the one that I saw yesterday that was the closest one that I showed you guys the day before. This one right here. The closest UFO that I've seen over the house. But now we're going to look at some interesting details. We're going to look at the flashes of light that came out of this object and how close they are from one another. Watch this. There's a different light. It could be a flash from the background, you say. Keep watching. We're going to slow down here again and watch this. That looks like an explosion or a blast. So these lights are coming either from the UFO or are present around the UFO. Other UFOs are present in the background. They're smaller, they're further away. Of course, we can't see it in the footage unless we completely slow it down. This was yesterday's footage.
I just got outside and I already see a UFO, guys. Check it out. Gonna focus in. And there it's going out. It's gone. I love it when they do that. Cool.
All planes, no matter how close or far they are, can be seen flashing their lights this way.
So I'm out here. I'm going to sit up and let you guys watch. The stars here up in the Milky Way and yeah, wow. That nice set of stars showing you some new areas. You guys will really like this. A lot of stars right here now in the Milky Way. Look at. Oh, can you see it, guys? There's something right there. Very far away, I'd have to zoom in. Can we do it? That's cool. That's a far one. Wow, that's way out there. That is high up. Oh well. Let's reset up. Let it go on its way. Thanks for stopping by.
Christy Lindsay, Shar Gordon, Luis Esteves. Thanks guys for the generous contributions. More on the way. I'll be out tonight. Thank you for liking this video and taking the time to subscribe and sharing it on other platforms.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem.